Positive anything is better than negative nothing. Hello mga Mars! Welcome back again sa aking garden. And for today's video, we are going to feature a kalanchoy or gallis of succulents, or commonly called copper sponge. It is a slow-growing succulent native to Madagascar. The leaves are oval-shaped with a velvety texture, and the new foliage has a striking copper or cinnamon hue on the upper side and silvery gray tone on the other side. It is a drought-tolerant plant that prefers full sun to partial shade. It can grow up to 1.8 meters high and produces bright yellow flowers in late winter to early spring.